I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for May the 14th to May the 21st reading. Welcome to Timeless Tarot 111, also known as Babaylan TV, no? Where spiritual people, intelligent spiritual people meets. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces lang po ng reading. Take what's only yours. Napakaganda dahil more of mas pinapahalagahan natin ngayon ang week na ito. Mas importante sa atin yung mangyayari sa kasalukuyan. Kumbaga meron ditong tayong iniisip na tsaka na muna yung future or hindi ko naiisipin yung past, whatever happened already happened, and I feel like siguro kumbaga pagbubutihin ko na lang kung ano yung nangyayari, or probably I'm going to cherish kung ano yung nangyayari sa ngayon. Siguro sa mga singles medyo napapagod din ng either kakaantay kung meron bang mag-a-approach. So parang kung ako na lang muna, di ako lang, I don't need a man. Ayan. So nandito yung mga ating strong independent woman, kicking in. So parang wag, it's not my loss, sa mga may crushes or no labels, kasi meron ditong parang fear, gugustuhin ba ako ng taong to? Meron ba siyang plans, to move our connection into another level of commitment? Pero, kasi parang nai-stress ako kung doon ako nakafocus. Siguro, mas more of, I'm going to enjoy what's happening ngayon. So, kung kinikilig ako ngayon, I feel like siguro doon na lang muna para hindi rin ako nai-stress or baka kasi I might be pushing my person away, kaya siguro may dumadating yung time minsan na hindi siya nagre-respond o hindi siya nagtitingin ng ating My Day stories. Ayan. Baka kasi iniisip natin, baka na nakukulitan siya, sa mga in a relationship, ang nakikita kasi natin dito, ito yung sa mga magjowa, ay sama na natin yung married couple. Chances are, this week, ito yung week na ilalaan niya, itong kanyang time, energy, effort. Let's say, kung meron man siyang mga pagkakamali before, kung meron man siyang mga bagay na hindi nagawa, or promises that probably broke, or broken, I feel like ito yung bawi, Third party situation, ang ganda ng pwedeng mangyari kasi parang ipaparamdam sa ni person na wala kang kahati. Hindi mo kailangan ng kahati at hindi mo deserve, mapunta sa ganong klaseng situationship. More of ibubuhos niya ni person sa iyo ang time, energy, effort, doon sa mga in separations, ang nakikita ko naman, medyo lalapit, si person. Parang magpapakita ito ng kaunting, sabihin natin, interest muli, sa iyo. With the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. So parang meron din ditong ang pagbibigayan, no? Para kasi magkakaroon dito ng magkakaroon ng transactions of energy. I feel like kahit hindi na mag-usap, ang nakikita ko dito sa mga crushes, no labels, baka kasi yayain kayo, no, with the Ace of Wands. Yayain kayo for, premarital sex. Again, it's up to you kung bibigay kayo or hindi. That's your life, no? We have actually nothing against that. That's your body. Pero make sure na kapag gagawin ito, di ba, you know the consequences, probably. You know bundot mo, hila mo, di ba? We are just here to guide, not to control someone else's life. When it comes to in a relationship and married couples, parang married couple Buddha, para kasi hindi ito papasok sa in a relationship eh. Well, kung may utang, you see si person sa in a relationship, I feel like magbabayad o iti-treat ka naman itong person na ito. Dito naman sa mga married couples, I feel like mag-ientrega ito, no, ng pera. I feel na meron yata itong nakuhang racket, no? At sasabihin niya, sige sa'yo na, either pang grocery mo, no? Kung may anak, mamasyal kayo ng mga bata, no? Or you can save it, no? Do whatever you want, no? Diyan sa perang yan. Third party situation, it felt like medyo hindi ganon ka mafe-feel mo this week, hindi ganon magiging ka-close si person sa iyo. Chances are, nadyan lang siya, pero yung kumbaga, the passion itself, parang siguro may iisip mo rin, bakit kaya malayo, no? Ang kanyang iniisip. So, with the Lovers, the 10 of Cups, the 7 of Pentacles, so ang nakikita natin dito, may actually maganda siya eh, kung medyo mag-aantay lang tayo. I feel like this week, medyo longer ang period of you and your person's time together, especially dito sa mga married couples in a relationship, pwede rin sa no labels and crushes, dahil mas more nga itong kanyang ibibigay na time, energy, effort. Sa singles naman, I feel like merong mag-a-approach kung meron ka ng apple of the eye. I'm seeing that this person somehow will be the person whom sabihin natin magpapakita ng interest, mafe-feel mo na, uy, parang tama ba ako ng hinala, may nakakagusto siya sa akin, which is gusto ko rin naman. The 6 of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the 6 of Swords. So, ang mga nangyayari dito, there's actually some good news. I feel like there's energy of para kasing generosity coming from your person. It may be a gift. It may be a literal gift, a material gift, or it may be an energetic gift wherein mafe-feel mo yung love, warmth ng person sa any aspects or stages ng relationship. Singles, crushes, no labels, in a relationship, married, third party, and even dito sa separations, no, parang mas mafe-feel mo na ay may pag-asa, no? And I feel like this week, less chance of away. Yan ang pinakamaganda. Less chance of away this week. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. But before that, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na dito po sa Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? Nagla-live po tayo dyan. So kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa ating comment section. as long as in question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugan ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Na doon po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, na doon din po siya. No? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Pisces, Gemini, Capricorn. Ayan. So this is, did I just said Sagittarius? Yep. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.